Hi, it's Miss Harder, and we are going to go over 1.1.3, and we are first going to start out with the 5D process of writing and using equations. We're going to start with that first. So, guys, everybody should have this piece of paper. Okay, this stays in your notebook. So the thing about the 5D process, it helps us to find an equation out of a word problem. And we're going to focus on that for right now. So you're going to take your handy dandy highlighter, and we are actually going to read through this. This is 5D process is an organized method to help write equations and solve problems. The D stands for describe, draw, and define. Deciding, declare. This is a lot. So we're going to read the example word problem, right? And then we're going to do it. So let's highlight. The first thing I want to do is I want to read it. The base of the rectangle is 13 centimeters longer than the height. The perimeter is 58 centimeters. Find the base and the height of the rectangle. Well, let's highlight the numbers. The base of the rectangle, the base is 13 centimeters longer than the height. So I'm going to write height plus 13. Okay, highlight and then right above it, height plus 13. Now, I know you don't have another highlighter, but I'm going to take my orange and I'm going to say the perimeter is 58 centimeters, meaning it's an equal 58 centimeters. Okay? Are you with me? Okay. I'm going to highlight that. Now, here is our rectangle. Here's the height. Here's the base. Okay? The base is the height plus 13 centimeters longer. The height is just the height. So to find the perimeter of it, this is what we're going to do. And I'm going to actually write this in the notes to the left. We're going to do this. We're going to do define. And we're just going to use that. And then we're going to do this, decide. This really is the equal sign, and we're going to write 58 out here. Okay? So our define is really where we're going to write out everything we know about this. So it's going to be the h. Remember, the perimeter is the h plus 13 plus h plus 13. So watch this. H plus 13 plus h plus 13. So these two, I'm just going to show you this really quick. This is actually the width or the base, right? The h plus 13. I'm just showing that to you. So we're going to add up all the h's. Okay. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4 h's. So I have 4 h's, and I still have 58. So then I add up the numbers. Okay? So I'm going to add up the 13s, right? What is 13 twice? Go ahead. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. It's all right. I'm just going to... Okay, so sorry, we had to pause it. So now we have, let me rewrite this under here. I have 4h plus 23 equals 58. Now the bottom line is I need to solve for h to find out what h is and what the base is. So our goal is to find the height and to find the base, right? So I'm going to solve for h. So I'm going to subtract 23 from both sides. Minus. Oh, thank you. Thank you for whoever said it. Thank you. Are you done? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Minus 26 from both sides for h equals 2. 4h equals 32. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. H equals 8. So the h equals 8 centimeters. But is that what the base is going to be? No, we have to add 13. So the base equals height plus 13. So I just need to say 8 plus 13. And what is 8 plus 13? Yeah. Perfect. So our base equals 21 centimeters. Now, how can I check to see if this is correct? Well, all I have to do is do this. It needs to equal 58. So if you multiply 2 times 8 plus 2 times 21, it should equal, this is 16 and this is 42. So yeah, this equals 58 centimeters. All right, that's awesome. Questions? Any questions on where I got the h? Okay. The h is the height. Remember, the h is the height. And then the base is the height plus 13. Okay? Hold on a second.